Hello, and welcome to Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. My name is Lila Devi, and I am the company's founder since 1977. We are the oldest flower essence line within the United States and globally outside the United Kingdom. Today, we would like to introduce you to the fourth in a series of 20 videos following the flow of our Essence Spectrum chart. Today we'll be talking about Spinach Essence for simplicity and guilelessness. If you think of the spinach plant that is a mere 40 days from planting to when it's on your table, you get a sense of the quick growing nature of this pot herb and how quickly it moves, how childlike it is in its energy, and we feel that also in the flower essence itself. For simplicity and guilelessness, Spinach Essence helps those who are tired of worldly wisdom and of suspecting others of selfish motives to realize that we are all striving toward life's final goal of perfect bliss. It restores a sense of adventurousness. It's helpful for people who are stressed, overworked, or who come from a dysfunctional family. It's wonderful for children who are overly serious or perhaps untrusting, and for pets who act older than their years, and it's also good for strays. Our Spinach Essence enhances these qualities: childlike joy, a sense of wonder, playfulness, freedom, adventurousness, a carefree nature, freedom from stress, and lastly, the ability to enjoy oneself. The benefits of Spirit in Nature Essences are significantly enhanced when using them with affirmations. If you'd like to now, please repeat after me the Spinach Essence affirmation. Whatever comes to me is for my highest good. I welcome it. Whatever comes to me is for my highest good. I welcome it. Thank you for visiting us today at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. Our wish for you is for perfect well-being.